Disabling two-factor authentication on Slack can be done through the app or website. Follow these steps to successfully turn off this security feature. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Slack app or website and log in with your credentials. Ensure you have access to the account where you want to disable two-factor authentication. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your workspace name or profile picture in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences or Account Settings to navigate to your account settings. Step 3. Go to Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security or Two-Factor Authentication section. This is where you can manage your two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Find the option to disable two-factor authentication. You may need to enter your password again for security purposes. Follow the prompts to confirm that you want to turn off this feature. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, you should receive a confirmation message. Check your email or notifications to ensure the changes have been applied successfully. By following these steps, you can easily disable two-factor authentication on your Slack account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and other security measures.